From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for December 22nd, 2016. In just a moment, we'll be taking a look at the NZDUSD, the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar, for today's trade analysis. But first, I want to recap a couple of the trade suggestions we made here in the daily analysis videos and in the live daily trade room. First off, starting here on the dollar franc, we've been watching this currency pair all week long, looking for opportunities to trade it. Earlier on in the week, we were looking for the breakout of the blue shaded area, the 1.0300 level. Never did that. Then we came back down yesterday, settled down here into support into the purple zone, and so we've been in the long. We've been in the buy from the support zone for the past couple of days. We've seen a little bit of profit. If you go from the entry point, which I have the entry point right around 102.55, but even a dip into the purple zone, if you go from the entry point, we've seen about 14, 15, maybe 20 pips of profit depending on where you've entered it, but has not reached the target, which of course is the blue shaded area just up here. And again, a break of that blue zone will look for further movement higher. So we've been in the long for a couple of days now. Hopefully we'll see the buyers come back in, drive it back in the direction of the trend from the purple zone and send it back up towards the blue or maybe even the yellow zone at the very top of the chart. Another trade that suggested yesterday in the live trade room was a short on the AUD/USD, looking to go short and sell this currency pair into the resistance zone after the breakout and underneath it. We did see over 20 pips of profit on the entry. So it went in, saw the over 20 pips of profit. The trade manager that we used to manage our stop loss did its job, moved us to break even. The market came back up, took us out of the trade with break even, and then proceeded to go down. So if you're still in it, you should be in profit protection mode because we have seen the market moving down from the initial entry at the 72.50 level. It's now pushed down all the way down here, about 45, 50 pips. So you should be in profit protection mode. If you're not, then if you got knocked out like I did, then you're probably waiting for the next opportunity, which I think may be another rally or test of this yellow shaded area. All right, let's move on to today's trade analysis, the NZDUSD. Let's zoom out to the daily time frame real quick, and we can see what's been happening. Zoom out one more time. We can see what's been happening around this green shaded area, 6,900. Just been settled down on top of 6,900 for the past couple of days. But probably more importantly, let's look back to the left-hand side, the blue box that's back here, and we can see that this area, highlighted in the blue box back on the left, orange, green, and blue shaded areas, top, middle, and bottom, are important decision zones. We've seen historical resistance and support. Even if you go far left-hand side of the chart, you see some congestion resistance around the blue zone. So we've seen historical resistance, support, congestion around the blue, the green, and the yellow, orange shaded areas here on this chart. So that's the important decision points that we are looking at. Zooming in a couple of times, you can see past 3 days just been settled out in here. We need a breakout. If we're going to have any confidence in either direction, either for some pullback or reversal to go back up towards the orange shaded area, then we need it to get above the green shaded area. If it's going to go back down under and continue the downtrend, it needs to break out under the green zone and head back down towards the blue zone. So that's really what we're looking for. We need to get out of that green zone. And that even is more evident as we go down here towards the 4-hour time frame. Look at it here on the 4-hour time frame. We're just in this congestion right here. It's just been settled out. Even over the past 4 hours, we just haven't seen any real movement on this currency pair. Hopefully we'll get some news today that will drive the NZDUSD out of this funk that it's in for the past couple of days. It's just been settled out and nothing really exciting happening here. So a breakout is what we're looking for. So I determine a breakout as an open and close, a singular candle body that opens and closes. Now we may not get that before it starts moving towards the blue or the orange shaded area. We might not get that open and close. So you might have to be a little bit more aggressive with your entry strategy rather than open and close. Maybe just an open underneath or above that green zone will give you some confidence. But be cautious. Use appropriate risk strategies in either case. If we get some positive news for the U.S. today, then I'd say we'd probably look for this to break the bottom side 69 and continue the downtrend. If it's negative, maybe we look for a further pullback towards the orange shaded area for the New Zealand dollar today. But all in all, we're looking for a breakout of this green shaded area of below 6,900 or above 6,920 for the New Zealand dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.